Up here at Duck Creek Village. I'm going up Broad Hollow, heading over towards Cascade Springs. I might hike down and see the little spring come out of the mountainside. We got Cam on the dirt bike today, riding in front. Should be a mellow, pretty easy day as long as there's not too much traffic. The trails are getting pretty dusty, so we'll see how it goes. Made it inside the ice cave over here. There's still ice on the ground. Entrance is full of snow. It's cold enough you can see your breath. I don't know if it picks up on camera or not. But it's nice. Okay, we're made it over the main road, heading to Cascade Springs. It's a pretty nice road. I think from the highway it's basic pretty far out here. It's out here a few miles, and then there's a little, I think it's 0.7 of a mile round trip down to the springs itself. I don't know if much of the spring is a gushing waterfall this time of year. We'll see what everyone wants to do if we want to make the hike. Okay, hope you can hear me in the wind. We're at the parking lot for Cascade Falls. Walked out on this point. Got Zions in the background over there. Strawberry Point where we're staying, that ridge there. Parking lot's up there. And then Cascade Falls is over around that corner there. Well, we didn't hike down to the falls, it was too crowded. Now we're just heading back to the cabin, heading down Willis Fork again. Did a little seat swap. Cole decided to ride in the back with the dogs. So now we're just chilling along. Cruising down. Tam's doing good on the dirt bike again. She hasn't rode it in a little while, so getting some good practice in. Have some lunch, maybe do a little night ride to look for deer. And just relax out of the 100-degree heat. So it's still almost 80 up here at the top of the mountain.
Fresh.
Probably a last winter fall on that one. One thing, it's almost getting too dusty to ride too much. Too big of a group. Okay, we're heading to Strawberry Point. Driving lessons. Down the main road, driving a clutch. While it's smooth. She has an off-road license.
Yeah.
She has drove this before. So while we're up in the mountain, we'll let her get a little more practice before she turns 16 and can drive. Got us some antelope.
They're in the middle of the road.
Okay, we'll push the clutch in and stop.
Is it 0.5? There's a little deer butt. Guys, gotta pick up your garbage. It's not good for all the deer we spotted. No, no, no. They all just. Right there.
There's 7 there. Well, whatever the one was, it's either had its baby or it wasn't having a baby.
Can you see it? Get up there.
Got the herd of antelope over there. Or half the herd, the other herd's down, bedded down already. And the one deer went over that way, over the hill.
That one is pregnant for sure. So, babies. Yeah, those are babies. That one's giant. That might be
Okay, that was our loop around Strawberry Ridge and out to Cascade Falls. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.